Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to use the backpack. If you guys are wondering what the backpack is, it is right here, this thing. As you see, it is very, very helpful. As you see, I use this a lot in some of my videos. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So first, you can have a project ready, like my darts project. And you can put in costumes, putting it into the backpack, and then if you go into the project that you were before in, it is in there. And if you drag it in, it's a costume. So if you drag it into costumes, so I'll put it right here. It's there, so it can be very, very, very helpful. You can also do the same with code. Like, if we put it in here, you can see it code. It's a script. So then we can just drag it in. And it can almost drag. It can even store in sounds. Drum. And now if we go back here, we can put the sound in. And that is how to use the backpack. It is very simple to use and it can be very, very helpful. And that is the end of today's video.